Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Kindle, a storybook, particularly a kid's storybook using two applications, ChatGPT and Canva. So now let's go over to ChatGPT. So we'll go to ChatGPT right here. We'll use ChatGPT for the story. So let's type in create a kid's story about a detective right there. And then here on Canva, we will be creating our design. So let's say here, let's search Kindle right there. And then here are some of templates that they have available for Kindle. So it's very interesting right here. Let's go with a dark tone template. I like this one. Let's choose this one right here. For the cover, let's see if the story is done. Yep, it's finished. So we will go with this one. But for now, let's edit the cover. So let's say here, Tech Help Guy. Then we'll remove these elements here. We'll retain this just because it gives off a good vibe. And then here, let's see the title, Detective Dot. Let's click on this right here. For the font, for the text, let's reduce it to 30. Nope, that's too small. Let's say 150 right there. Let's lessen it up a bit. There we go. Then lower it here. And then for this one, we will also be reducing this. And then let's attach just this for the title. Detective Dot, the case of the missing muffins. Let's say this is the first edition right there. And then here, let's add elements. For this one, you can use AI or you can use the elements here. So you can choose here detective. Then you can either use this one or you can use a wackier one. Let's say, let's go with this one right here. Here. And then here. And then the footsteps here. Let's reduce it up to make it look like he's looking at the footsteps. And then from there, copy paste, reduce it to add a little bit of like a walking effect. Then reduce it again, like so. All right. And then next, add a page right there. Here, you can use white for this one. Then now you can copy and paste this, add in a text right here, copy and paste the first lines right there, this one, the first part of the story. And then as you go on, just make sure that everything is in place right there, like so. So this is just an example. We'll create one page example of how you can create your own story. So you can change the color of this to match like the background or like the character, like that, or like this one. Then change the font to something like this. Then you can also add a bit of the background right here, and then add this here. That, and then you can add in some characters, extra characters, maybe something like this. And yeah, so basically you have full control on as to how you can format or how you want your storybook to look like. But definitely, you for the two applications, you can utilize ChatGPT for both the image actually and the story, and you can utilize Canva for the overall design and overall output of your storybook. So it looks something like this. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.